Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that is sure to make mealtime with your little one much more enjoyable. We found the Hudson Baby Silicone Bibs in a fun taco design, and we've included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what these bibs are all about. The Hudson Baby Silicone Bibs are designed specifically for infants and toddlers, offering a practical and playful solution for messy eating. Made from durable, waterproof silicone, these bibs are not just cute, they're incredibly functional too. The standout taco design adds a fun twist, making them more appealing for your little ones during mealtime. One of the most impressive features of these bibs is how easy they are to clean. Unlike traditional fabric bibs that require constant washing, these silicone bibs can simply be wiped down with warm soapy water after each use. This means less laundry for parents and more time enjoying meals with your baby. Plus, the bibs have a large pocket that flips out, designed to catch any food or crumbs that might fall during mealtime. This minimizes the mess on your baby's clothes and allows for a more relaxed dining experience. The bibs are designed to grow with your baby, featuring adjustable button and hole closures. This means that as your child gets bigger, the bib can easily adapt to fit comfortably around their neck. This flexibility is a game changer for parents who want a product that will last through various stages of their child's development. So, who are these bibs suitable for? They are perfect for infants and toddlers who are just beginning to explore solid foods, as well as those who are more experienced eaters. If you have a little one who loves to dive into their meals but ends up wearing more food than they eat, these bibs are ideal. They're also great for parents seeking a solution that minimizes cleanup time and maximizes usage. Now, let's discuss some practical use cases. Imagine you're at home during mealtime, and your child is having a particularly messy day. With the Hudson Baby Silicone Bib, you can easily wipe it clean after each use, ensuring your baby stays clean and comfortable. Or perhaps you're dining out at a restaurant. These bibs are lightweight and portable, making them easy to toss into your diaper bag. You can simply pull it out, secure it on your little one, and enjoy a meal without worrying about spills and stains. Another scenario could be during arts and crafts time. While these bibs are primarily designed for mealtime, they can also be used during messy play activities where spills are likely to happen. The waterproof silicone protects their clothing, allowing kids to explore their creativity without the worry of getting messy. In conclusion, the Hudson Baby Silicone Bibs with the fun taco design are a fantastic addition to any parent's mealtime toolkit. They blend functionality with a playful aesthetic, making them a hit for both parents and children alike. If you're looking for a way to make dining experiences less stressful while keeping your baby stylish and clean, these bibs are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.